Evolution, the theory, created by Gabby Stacey. Imagine this is a woman, and that's a man, and they wanted to make a baby. Both parents have brown eyes, but what color does the baby have? If you thought that brown was the only answer, think again. It is possible that a brown-eyed mom and dad could produce a blue-eyed child. It all has to do with the genes we possess. Scientists use Punnett squares to evaluate the probability of traits. What does recessive, dominant, hetero, and homozygous mean? All these terms deal with a word called dominance. Dominance is the relationship between alleles that are both possessed and expressed. Recessive means that it's less likely to be expressed, and there needs to be two recessive alleles. They are represented by lowercase letters, like lowercase a, b, and c. Those capital letters, those represent dominant. And dominant alleles always win. Well, they're always expressed. For example, two lowercase b's together mean blue, while the others are brown. Punnett squares like these are used to show that two heterozygous parents have a 25% chance to create a blue-eyed child. You can't rule out blue right off the bat. What does this show? Small genetic differences show that different generations have different traits from our ancestors. Scientists would say we have evolved. Evolution is known as the development by natural selection, and this development is by which the populations become different than their ancestors through time. Any genetic change in populations is inherited in successive generations, whether it be small, large, noticeable, or not noticeable. Charles Darwin was a scientist who created his ideas on evolution through 4 postulates, despite the controversy. What are these? 1 is that generations are genetically variable. 2, that the environment provides obstacles. 3, survival of the fittest. And 4, we will produce more offspring than can survive. But evolution is only a theory, right? A theory is an explanation for observations that have been tested. It is not yet a law, because laws are always applicable under every circumstance. Laws are facts. But it's better than a hypothesis, which is just considered an educated guess. And it's better because it's been tested. Well, that's it for now. Tune in next week and learn about genetics.